Hello everyone, today we are doing a video on Play-doh and kinetic sand surprise eggs. My lucky assistant, Trudy, will be blindfolded picking out the eggs. Some of them will be empty and some of them will have toys in them. Yep, and there's one with the ring on it. Okay, go ahead and put your blindfold on. And scoot back from the mat. Like sit in front of the mat. No, come over here, come over here. Your blindfold's on your head. Alright, sit down in front of the mat. Wait, there's one. Okay. Alright, pick your first egg. Alright. Now, once you open it and you feel something, you can take off your blindfold, okay?
It's a Shopkin.
Which Shopkin is it?
It's Musical Heart.
Show it to the camera. Yep. Here, let me see it. Everybody see the Shopkin?
Yes.
She's so cute. There's the side and the back. Alright. That's great.
My blindfold on?
Here. Now, next. Oh, good. It's a sand egg. Is there anything in there? Alright. Keep opening it up. What'd you get?
It's a kitty.
A kitty. Looks like this is the littlest pet shop cat. There's the back. And there's the front. She's so cute. She got a little scar on her forehead.
It's a little sand.
Alright, put your blindfold back on. Alright, next one. What is it? Is it another littlest pet shop toy?
Yeah, the little kitty.
Let me see. Alright, there's her next surprise egg toy. It's got some little colors. The side and the back of the little pet shop. Alright, keep going. What is it? Let's see, finish opening the egg.
It's a little car.
That looks like Minnie Mouse's car. Let me see it. Yep. There's Minnie Mouse's car. Back. Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep.
Can we do another one?
Yep. What is it?
Shell.
It's a Shopkin. It's Bailey the ball glove.
I want to do this Play-doh next.
There's the front of Bailey. Her eyes are so cute. And there's the back. Yay, Shopkins. Okay. Well, what is it? You gonna open it up?
Oh, yeah. It's a Shopkin.
Let me see. Looks like this is one of the kitty cats with the tiara on top. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
Alright, next egg. Just open it up and then open it all the way up before you do your blindfold.
It's a hamburger.
A hamburger? Is it another Shopkin?
Yeah.
Let's see. There's the back. Here's the front. There's the top of the hamburger bun. You got another egg ready? Put your blindfold on.
This one.
Do you feel something?
Yeah.
Show it to the camera.
It's a little doggy.
Is that Clarabelle's dog from the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse?
Uh-huh. He's booming. He's driving.
He's so cute. Set everything in the front. There's all of our Play-doh and our sand. And you know what's funny, Trudy?
Yeah.
What?
Play-doh on our hand. We got every stuff.
Well, yeah, but we're doing Play-doh surprise eggs, and we're using an egg mat.
An egg mat?
Yep.
An egg mat. We got eggs.
Yes, we do. There's all of our toys. All right, keep opening them.
I feel something.
Well, what is it?
Whoa. It's Daisy.
Daisy Duck from the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. There's the back, the bottom, and here's the front. Say hi, Daisy. Hello.
I feel something.
You feel something.
Ew. It's a sheep.
A sheep? Is this from Mickey Mouse's farm?
Yeah.
Must be.
Hello.
Next egg.
Hello. Yeah.
Nothing inside.
Nothing inside. That must have been the mystery egg. See? Mystery egg. Looks like we have 2 eggs left. Open up this one and open up this one, okay? Okay. Next egg. Okay. Put your blindfold on. What are you doing? Don't make more eggs, silly.
I want to.
Oh.
Well, you don't need to.
I want to.
Trudy. Don't, or we'll have to start over. Okay, open up your last 3 eggs. Let's put on the blindfold. Here, I'll take this shotgun. Zoom out a little bit.
Sure, if you want to.
I feel something.
Whoa, what is it?
All right.
Let me see.
A little kitty.
It's another Littlest Pet Shop toy. Still got the rainbow hair.
I feel something. It's
Last one. We already did that one, silly. Okay, this is the last egg.
It must have hidden.
Yep. There's Clarabelle's dog again. Woof woof.
I feel something.
Wonder what it is.
Can I just put them back together?
No, you gotta open it.
Is it a monkey or something else?
It looks like it's a Littlest Pet Shop monkey. You want to show him? Show him the front. To the camera, silly. There's the front of our cute little monkey. Let me see him. Let me see him.
Tail.
There's the front of our monkey. There's the back. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Wait, there's something else.